Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Today, meet the Caterpillar 993K wheel loader, a powerhouse for agriculture and construction, built for efficiency, power, and comfort. Stay tuned! The Cerberus is a modern agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation. It is equipped with advanced technology to till, plow, and break the soil, improving aeration and water absorption. This machine helps farmers enhance crop productivity by preparing the land for planting. With its high performance and durability, Cerberus ensures optimal soil conditions for better yield. The O.Me.P.S is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil management. It is primarily used for tilling, plowing, and preparing the land for planting. The machine ensures optimal soil aeration, promoting better water retention and root growth. With its powerful engine and precise operation, O.Me.P.S increases productivity and helps farmers achieve higher crop yields with minimal effort. The DJI MG1S is a powerful agricultural drone designed for efficient crop spraying. It features advanced GPS and flight control systems for precise and even pesticide or fertilizer application. With its large payload capacity and high efficiency, the MG1S helps farmers save time and reduce chemical usage, promoting healthier crops and increased productivity across large farming areas. The Centric XR80 is a high-performance hydraulic bucket crusher used in construction and agriculture for soil processing. It is designed to crush large rocks, debris, and concrete, turning them into usable material. With its efficient design, the XR80 helps improve land preparation for farming by breaking down tough materials, ensuring better soil quality and faster field readiness. The 12,000 gallons by Nunn Industries is a large-capacity agricultural liquid manure spreader designed for efficient fertilizer distribution. It helps farmers evenly spread manure across fields, enhancing soil fertility. With its durable construction and high tank capacity, the 12,000 gallons ensures minimal downtime and maximum productivity, improving crop yields while maintaining sustainable farming practices. The Senebogen 870 Hybrid E is a versatile material handler used in agriculture for lifting and transporting heavy loads like soil, debris, and equipment. Its hybrid engine combines diesel and electric power, offering fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This machine's powerful lifting capabilities and environmental benefits make it ideal for large-scale agricultural operations and construction tasks. The SFHFAE is a heavy-duty forestry mulcher and stone crusher used in agriculture and land clearing. It is designed to shred and crush trees, stumps, rocks, and other debris, improving soil preparation and clearing land for farming. With its robust build and high performance, the SFHFAE enhances productivity and ensures efficient land management for agricultural operations. The Moros hydraulic metal baler is an agricultural machine designed for compacting and baling scrap metal and other recyclable materials. It uses hydraulic pressure to compress metal into manageable bundles, making transportation and storage more efficient. This machine helps reduce waste and promotes recycling in agricultural and industrial settings, improving sustainability and operational efficiency. The Mercedes-Benz Arox is a heavy-duty truck used in agriculture for transporting large loads such as crops, equipment, and materials. It features a powerful engine, robust suspension, and advanced safety systems, making it ideal for tough farming environments. The Arox enhances operational efficiency, offering reliable transportation across fields and rough terrains, helping farmers manage logistics and improve productivity. The BMAD Green Cargo is an efficient agricultural machine designed for transporting organic materials like compost, manure, and mulch. It is equipped with a robust system that allows easy loading and unloading, enhancing farm operations. This machine ensures smooth and cost-effective transportation, helping farmers optimize their time and improve productivity, especially in large-scale organic farming. The 995 FDM Lugong is a heavy-duty wheel loader used in agriculture for tasks like moving soil, rocks, and other materials. It features a powerful engine and a large bucket, enabling efficient material handling on farms. Its durable design and advanced hydraulics make it ideal for tough agricultural environments, improving productivity and helping with land preparation and maintenance. The SIFA K67H is a high-performance concrete pump used in agriculture and construction. It is equipped with a 67-meter boom, allowing it to pump concrete over long distances and difficult terrains. This machine is ideal for large-scale agricultural projects, including infrastructure development and irrigation systems, helping to efficiently deliver materials where traditional methods are not feasible. The Agbot AgSeed is an autonomous agricultural robot designed for precision farming. It can perform tasks like planting, weeding, and soil monitoring without human intervention. Powered by advanced sensors and AI, it increases efficiency and reduces labor costs, helping farmers manage their fields more effectively for improved crop yields and sustainability. The DAF 225EX is a versatile agricultural truck designed for heavy-duty transportation. It is ideal for hauling large loads of crops, equipment, and other materials across farms. With its powerful engine and durable construction, the DAF 225EX ensures reliable performance, improving logistics and efficiency in large-scale agricultural operations. The Buckingham Power Dolly system is an agricultural transport solution designed to move heavy loads efficiently. It is often used with large trailers and equipment, providing additional support and power for easier maneuvering on rough terrains. The system enhances productivity by ensuring smooth transportation, reducing strain on vehicles, and improving overall efficiency in large-scale farming operations. The Dango Diententhal is an agricultural machine designed for efficient and precise land preparation. It is commonly used for tasks like plowing, cultivating, and soil aeration. Equipped with advanced technology, it improves soil quality and enhances crop yield by ensuring optimal soil conditions. Its robust design ensures durability and high performance in various agricultural operations. The Ducker ledge cutter is an agricultural machine used for cutting and clearing overgrown ledges, fields, and steep terrains. It is designed to efficiently trim vegetation and weeds, improving land accessibility for farming. With its durable cutting blades and powerful engine, the ledge cutter ensures faster land preparation, helping farmers maintain clear and usable agricultural land. The Wowjoint Machinery Company SLJ series is a line of high-performance land leveling machines used in agriculture. These machines are designed to efficiently level soil, ensuring uniformity for irrigation and planting. With advanced hydraulics and precise control, the SLJ series helps improve water distribution, crop growth, and overall land preparation for better farming results. The Converse C91 is a versatile agricultural machine used for land preparation, especially in rough terrains. It is designed to efficiently cultivate, plow, and break soil, improving aeration and water absorption. With its robust construction and high-performance capabilities, the C91 ensures faster field preparation, enhancing productivity and optimizing soil conditions for better crop yields. The Larrington Chaser self-driving truck is an innovative agricultural vehicle designed for efficient grain and crop transportation. Equipped with autonomous technology, it can navigate fields and transport materials without human intervention. This machine improves farm productivity by reducing labor costs and ensuring timely delivery of crops, enhancing efficiency in large-scale farming operations. The Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane is a heavy-lift helicopter used in agriculture for aerial applications like crop spraying, seed planting, and transporting materials. With its large cargo capacity and precise control, it can lift and move heavy loads to remote or difficult-to-access areas. The Skycrane helps improve efficiency in large-scale farming operations and infrastructure projects. The VTN MT20 is a robust agricultural machine designed for handling and transporting materials like soil, debris, and rocks. This hydraulic tilting bucket is typically used with excavators and tractors. It allows efficient loading and unloading, improving farm operations. The VTN MT20's versatility and durable design make it ideal for various agricultural tasks, enhancing productivity and reducing labor. The Safe Arrow 220 is an agricultural drone designed for precise crop spraying and monitoring. Equipped with advanced GPS and sensors, it ensures even pesticide and fertilizer distribution. Its lightweight design allows easy navigation over fields, helping farmers improve crop health, reduce chemical usage, and enhance overall farm efficiency with minimal effort. The Rescue Vehicle LUF is an advanced agricultural machine designed for emergency situations on farms. It is equipped with specialized features to handle difficult terrains, transport injured individuals, and provide quick access to remote areas. Its robust build and versatile functionality make it ideal for farm rescue operations, ensuring safety and efficiency in emergencies. The Mency Muck M545 is a versatile, all-terrain excavator designed for agricultural and forestry work. It features a unique, articulated chassis that allows it to navigate steep and uneven terrain with ease. The M545 is ideal for tasks such as land clearing, digging, and transporting materials, improving efficiency and access in challenging environments. The Big Float E15 is a high-capacity agricultural machine designed for soil tilling and leveling. It features a large, adjustable frame that efficiently distributes weight, allowing it to work in soft or wet soil without causing compaction. This machine is ideal for preparing fields for planting, improving soil structure, and enhancing crop growth. The Technique Hero is an advanced agricultural machine used for soil preparation and land cultivation. It is designed to efficiently plow and till the soil, breaking up compacted areas and promoting better water absorption. This machine helps improve soil structure, leading to healthier crops and enhanced farm productivity. The Yankee Dryer Blomare is an agricultural machine used primarily in drying processes. It is designed to dry various agricultural products, such as grains or crops, by using heated air. This machine helps reduce moisture content, preserving the quality and extending shelf life, while ensuring efficient and uniform drying across large quantities. The Harvey 500 is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient crop harvesting. It is equipped with cutting-edge technology to ensure precise and rapid harvesting of various crops, such as vegetables and fruits. The Harvey 500 improves productivity by reducing labor costs and minimizing crop damage, ensuring a high-quality yield. The Senebovin 835G Hybrid and 355E are versatile material handling machines used in agriculture and construction. The 835G Hybrid features a fuel-efficient hybrid engine for reduced emissions and better performance in material transport. The 355E is known for its powerful lifting capacity and durability, ideal for handling heavy agricultural materials with ease. The X-Cone is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil management and crop cultivation. It is primarily used for land leveling and soil conditioning. With its specialized cone-shaped structure, the X-Cone helps improve soil aeration, water distribution, and root growth, enhancing crop yield and soil health for better farming results. The DeWin MT4500 is a powerful agricultural machine used for efficient soil tilling and land preparation. It features advanced technology for deep soil cultivation, breaking up compacted layers and enhancing soil structure. This machine improves water retention and root growth, leading to better crop yields and improved farm productivity. The Bower Cutter from Bodembau is a specialized agricultural machine designed for soil cutting and preparation. It is used for improving soil structure by cutting through compacted layers. The machine helps enhance water infiltration and root growth, leading to healthier crops and improved yields, making it ideal for land preparation in agriculture. The NS Series scissor elevator is an agricultural machine used for efficient vertical lifting and transportation of crops, grains, and other materials. Its scissor lift design allows smooth and controlled elevation, reducing the risk of material damage. This machine is ideal for bulk handling, improving productivity and streamlining operations on farms and storage facilities. Timber Pro is a high-performance forestry machine used in agricultural and forestry operations. It is designed for efficient tree harvesting, processing, and handling. Equipped with advanced hydraulics, it cuts, processes, and loads timber with precision. The Timber Pro enhances productivity, making it ideal for large-scale timber management and land clearing projects. Spacer is an agricultural machine used for spacing and planting crops with precision. It helps in creating uniform rows for seeds or plants, ensuring optimal growth conditions. By accurately placing seeds at the right distance, the spacer promotes better air circulation, water flow, and overall crop yield, improving farm productivity. The CMI Trashmaster Model TM11 is an agricultural machine designed for effective residue management. It is primarily used for mulching and shredding crop residue, converting it into fine particles that decompose easily. This process helps improve soil health, reduce waste, and enhance nutrient cycling, contributing to better crop yields and sustainable farming practices. The TD1000 Plus Performance line is an advanced agricultural machine designed for optimal soil cultivation and land preparation. It features a high-performance tilling system, breaking up compacted soil and improving aeration. The machine enhances water infiltration and root growth, making it ideal for preparing fields for planting, ensuring better crop yields and improved soil health. The Wolf 8000 wheel trencher is a powerful agricultural machine designed for efficient trenching. It is commonly used for installing irrigation systems, drainage pipes, and other underground utilities. With its high-powered wheel and precise cutting capability, the machine ensures clean, deep trenches, improving land preparation and water management for farming operations. The Arc Astra rail cropper is a specialized agricultural machine designed for crop harvesting along railway tracks. It efficiently cuts and collects crops growing near railways, ensuring safe and clear pathways for trains. The machine is equipped with advanced cutting mechanisms that minimize crop damage while maximizing harvesting speed and efficiency in railside farming operations. The Lykind Screedsaver Max Plus is an advanced agricultural and construction machine designed for precise soil leveling and screeding. It ensures uniform ground preparation by efficiently spreading and smoothing materials. This machine is widely used in agriculture for preparing fields for planting, helping improve soil conditions, enhance irrigation, and optimize crop growth for better yields. The Vega-Mate is an innovative agricultural machine designed for efficient crop harvesting and handling. It is equipped with advanced technology that ensures precise and rapid collection of various crops, reducing labor and time. The machine's robust design allows it to operate in diverse field conditions, increasing productivity and optimizing the harvesting process for better yield management. The Nemag Scissors is an agricultural machine designed for precise and efficient soil cultivation. It features advanced cutting technology that allows for deep soil penetration and precise root cutting. This machine helps improve soil aeration, water flow, and nutrient absorption, making it ideal for land preparation and enhancing crop yields in various farming environments. The Logset 6F is a versatile forestry machine designed for efficient logging and timber handling. It features a powerful engine and advanced hydraulics for precise cutting, loading, and moving of timber. The machine is ideal for working in tough terrains, improving productivity and minimizing soil damage, making it suitable for both agriculture and forestry operations. The Dahl Excavator is an agricultural and forestry machine designed for efficient transportation and material handling. It features a robust design, providing excellent stability and performance on uneven terrain. The Excavator is ideal for hauling heavy loads, making it perfect for tasks such as timber transport and agricultural material handling. Portum is an agricultural machine designed for efficient crop handling and transport. It is commonly used for moving harvested crops, such as grains or vegetables, from the field to storage or processing areas. With its durable design and powerful performance, Portum helps reduce labor and improve overall farm efficiency. The Triton 560 is a high-performance agricultural machine designed for precise soil cultivation and seedbed preparation. It features advanced tilling technology that ensures even soil leveling and optimal conditions for planting. The machine improves soil structure, enhances water retention, and promotes healthy crop growth, ultimately boosting farm productivity and crop yields. The Foray is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient field operations. It is commonly used for tasks like soil preparation, seedbed leveling, and crop cultivation. With its durable construction and powerful hydraulics, the Foray ensures precise and effective performance, improving soil quality and promoting healthy crop growth for better yields. The MFT-240 firefighting truck is a specialized vehicle used in agriculture for fire control and prevention. Equipped with powerful water pumps and firefighting tools, it is designed to tackle wildfires or field fires efficiently. Its robust design ensures quick deployment, providing essential fire protection in agricultural areas and preventing crop damage.